Find the sum. So we have 5 1/4 plus 1 1/2. I suggest you isolate the whole numbers. So it's 5 plus 1 equals 6. So you can have 6. Then 1/4 plus 1/2. You need a common denominator. It's easier to switch one fraction so that they have, because you're looking for multiple denominators. The multiples of 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. Multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12. The lowest common denominator is 4. So just keeping 1/4 as 4, and 1/2 is 2/4, because I multiply by 2 and by 2. This gives you 3/4. So 1/4 plus 1/2 is equal to 3/4. You still have the 6, so my answer is 6 3/4, which is B. The next question is similar. There's a couple of key things to look for. Class party, pizza party, Joseph ate 1 5/6 slices of a pizza. Jacob ate 1 3/4. So you're adding 1 3/4. How much did they eat all together? It's adding. Isolate the whole number. So 1 plus 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Now you have 5 6 plus 3/4. You want a common denominator. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 6, 12, 18, 24. If you multiply 6 and 4 together, you get 24. But a lower number is 12. So it's better to go with 10/12, multiplying by 2, and then multiplying this by 3 to get 9/12, which would be 19/12. If you subtract a whole one out of there, this would be 1 7/12. You still have the 2 that you need to add. So your answer is going to be 2 plus 1 7/12 is equal to 3 7/12. C. If you do the common denominator of 24, you'll end up with a number that looks like 3 14/24. It might be correct, but you might not see your answer on here. So then you're going to have to realize that 14/24 is the same as 7/12. What is the difference between 7/12 and 1/3? Again, you need to look for common denominators. 7/12. Difference is subtracting. So subtract. Subtract 1/3. You can multiply 1/3 by 4/4 to get an equivalent fraction of 4/12. 7/12 subtract 4/12 is 3/12. The answer would be this. Now, 3/12 is also the same as 1/4 if you divide them both by 3. So in this, if you got 1/3, it is technically correct. On the test, you might have to look for which one of them. The actual test will only have one correct answer. You're going to have to look to see which is correct.